Here's the Sony WH-CH520 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. Okay, you want to factory reset these if you have issues connecting or pairing, or one side's working, other side's not, one side's low volume, this one's higher, and so on. So to factory reset these, if we look at the one ear cup here, this is where all the buttons are, okay? And you can see we have like a volume up, volume down, and the middle one here is pair/power, okay? So first thing is we got to make sure that these are off, okay? So let me just go ahead and turn these off here. Let me press and hold that power button for a few seconds here. And let me let go. Okay, so it's currently off, okay? Now while it's off, we want to press and hold two buttons, okay? It's going to be the middle button, the power button, and the volume down. We're going to press and hold. We're going to keep on holding till the LED flashes 4 times in a row, okay? So we'll do it together. Power button, volume down. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding. Usually takes about 15 seconds or so, but just keep holding here. Wait till it flashes 4 times blue. Still holding on both buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and let go. You just factory reset these, okay? Now, here's the thing, okay? Before I was currently paired to my iPhone here, okay? So if I want to pair it back to my iPhone, for instance, let me put it in the pairing mode now, okay? So let me go ahead and press and hold that middle button, the power button. Let me press and hold. And what I want is a blinking blue, 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 blue. It's in pairing mode, okay? So if I went back to my iPhone here, it would not show up down here under Bluetooth because I was paired to it before. So if you were paired to another device like your Android phone, your iPhone, your TV, your computer, you have to get it off the pairing list, okay, first. So this one here is, okay, so the WH-CH520, it says not connected. I need to go ahead and click on that, forget this device, or unpair or delete, depending on what device you're on. So I'm going to forget this device, forget it. Okay, now it's still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, 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 blue. It should show up down here so I can repair back to my iPhone, okay? But if it's not showing down here, maybe it took too long. Let me just rescan the Bluetooth again. Rescan, it's still in the pairing mode. Now let's go down. It's still in pairing mode. Oh, there it is right there, WH-CH520. I'll tap on that right there. And now I'm connected back to my iPhone, all right? There you guys go.